Question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. So prior diving into the solution part, let's first understand the problem. So sum of two numbers, it simply means addition of two numbers is 95. That is, when we add two numbers which are unknown to us right now, its addition gives us 95. Now the other statement says if one exceeds the other by 15. This means if we have one number, the other number would be 15 more than that. So we have to find the numbers. By now, we understood the problem. Now let's move to the solution part. First of all, as we usually do, we will write given part. So the given is, in the first statement, sum of two numbers is 95. So we write the same. Sum of two numbers is in mathematics means equal to 95. Now it is an equation. Why? Because we have left hand side and right hand side and we numbered it with 1. It is a good practice to number the equations. It is our first equation. And second equation we will derive from this statement. If one exceeds the other by 15, it simply means one number is equal to other plus 15. That is, it is 15 more than the one number. That gives you equation number second. Henceforth, we have completed both the statements. We don't have any other information. With this information, we will assume certain things. So now we are coming to the assumptions part. Let the other number be z. And why we took the variable as small letter z? First of all, variables are assumed with small letter. Therefore, we took small letter. And why only z? Well, it is our personal preference. We can take it any variable from a to z. This time we took it as z. Again, this is mathematical representation of therefore. Therefore, one number equals to z plus 15. We just used equation number 2 and we wrote the reason. That is using equation 2. This is short form of writing equation. That is EQ followed with dot. With this new concept is being told to you, that is, it is a good practice to write reasons why you are writing something whenever you are solving it. Again, also, sum of two numbers is 95 using equation number first. So what would be the sum of two numbers? It would be one number plus other number because two numbers are participating and that equals to 95. We are just writing the expressions for the statements. So what is one number? Using equation 2, we derived one number equals to z plus 15. So we wrote one number as z plus 15, this plus as it is. And what is other number? Other number, we assumed it to be z. So we wrote z. That equals to 95. Nothing written in front of variable, that is coefficient of this variable z, it means 1. So we have 1z and 1z, they are getting added up. That means 2z plus 15 as it is, that equates to 95. Now 2z equals to, we are transposing this positive 15 towards right hand side. We will change its sign, it will become negative of 15. So 95 as it is, minus 15. Now let's solve it. 95 minus 15 is 80 and 2z as it is. Cancelling opportunity, because we have told you in previous questions as well that you can cancel straight away in numerator part. Below it, it is understood as 1 as denominator. So 1 2 is a 2, 42 is a 80. Now we are left with only variable on either of the side, here in this case towards left hand side, and that equals to 40. So we have found the value of z, and what we assumed z for, it was other number. So that is equal to other number. And what is one number? It is other plus 15. That is, we can use equation number second. So z plus 15. Z we found is 40 plus 15 is 55. So therefore, if you want to verify your solution, if you now add 55 plus 40, it will give you 95. Hence, our required solution is correct. The best part of solving these equations is that you can always verify your answer. With this, our question number 4 is completed.